Hey guys, come take a walk with us at Snyder Park. Hi, I'm Angie.
And I'm Lou.
We are Eat Sleep RV Repeat, and we are going to bring you along with us on a little hike, nature trail through Snyder Park.
For sure.
See you along the park, guys. Okay guys, we are at the freshwater dog swim area in Snyder Park. So cute. I'm guessing someone was practicing their archery out here. That's pretty cool. So while we're here, we decided to do some geocaching, and there is one literally ahead of us, 23 feet away. And this huge tree. I am in shorts, so I do not want to walk through that brush and scratch up my pretty legs. So Lou is looking for the geocache. There's nothing in there? So finding the geocache in this tree was an ultimate fail. So many crevices. But this tree, in case you're curious, is called a strangler fig. It's basically called that because of all these vines that wrap around the tree and basically strangles the tree. So some Hurricane Irma damage here. An uprooted tree. It's interesting. Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at Snyder Park.
So it's a pretty cool park. It has a disc golf course. It's probably the size of the park. Probably take anywhere between 4 and 6 hours, and it joins along the nature trails as well. There is also a man-made beach that offers catch and release fishing, and several nature trails.
Going back to the disc golf that she mentioned, if you've seen our Easterland Park disc golf video, which I will go ahead and link up here, this is definitely on a bigger scale than that park.
For sure.
Absolutely. And not just with the disc golf, but with all the other things. This one does have 2 nature trails, one of which is basically like a gravel or dirt patch path, and there's a boardwalk path as well. I would say it's a little bit disorganized. There's not too much signage to help us get to it, but otherwise it's pretty basic and nice and still a great walk to enjoy.
Yeah, there's a lot of pavilions also that are usually facing the water, facing the different lakes that they have here. There's good wildlife, there's iguanas, there's raccoons, squirrels, what else did we say? Egrets, ducks. So there's good nature.
No alligators,
No.
thankfully.
There's a good wildlife in here that can be enjoyed as well.
There's definitely activities that you can do too. There's volleyball, there's basketball. If you bring your kayak with you, you can definitely kayak around the lakes here.
Yep. And soon to come.
Oh yeah, soon to come. We saw that they're gonna have a bike trail coming up, as well as
A zip line.
That's gonna be so much fun. Do you think you'll try it when they have it?
For sure. I'm all in.
I don't know. Maybe. But thanks for coming along. Yeah, definitely. If you like this video, if you like this park, if you like us, just in general, be sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Yeah, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. Make sure you stay in touch with us. Write us comments, ask us questions, get involved with us.
And let's learn from each other and be kind to one another, guys.
Thank you.
See you next time. Bye. Good question. I don't know where we parked. I think we parked that way. You think it's that way? Who knows? Who knows? The park ranger about to tell us the park is closing.
Which is perfect because how do I get out?
It comes up behind us.
Comes with the park to
Is he gonna tell us?
Park patrols.
7, yes.
Get out
We're trying to figure out where we parked. We parked on the outside.
at the entrance. Are we going the right way?
Yeah, you going there. You follow the yellow brick road.
Yellow brick road.
Kansas.
Thank you.